Are you ready to uncover hidden gems in the real estate market? We're diving deep into Zillow to show you how to find distressed properties ripe for renovation and investment. So, first things first, head over to Zillow.com. Enter the city, neighborhood, or zip code you're interested in. I am going to search for properties in Orlando, Florida. Now, the magic happens. Click on the filters button located near the top of the page. Scroll down until you see the keyword search box. Type in terms like fixer-upper, TLC, needs work, renovation, or investment opportunity. These terms will help narrow your search. Scroll up to listing type. Click the for sale drop-down menu and select foreclosure and auction. These listings will likely be distressed. Review the map view. Look for properties that seem priced lower than others in the area or have descriptions matching our keywords. And remember to do your due diligence by checking property history and potential issues before making any offers. And there you have it, how to find distressed properties on Zillow. Remember, patience and research are key to finding the perfect investment.